Okay, so we've created a really nice render of our light. Now the last thing I want to do is to create a working drawing. So this is really very easy, and the software is really doing all the work for you. You've just got to click a couple of times. So we're going to go to File and New, and rather than Part or Assembly, which we've done before, we're going to select Drawing. We'll call it Lamp Plans. Let's click OK. You can't have any spaces in Creo, so we have to call it Lamp Plans without a space. Okay, we want to select A3 drawing and OK, and there we go. It's already drawn for us the different views and a isometric view. Right, it doesn't look very nice with the planes in there, so we're going to click on here and select all, and that, if I zoom in or out again, that gets rid of all of those, right? And you can see the orthographic views. We've got the top view, the side view, and the front view, just like we did when we were drawing our pavilions. So now we're just going to put a few dimensions on here. We could change the scale maybe to make it a bit bigger. So if I double click on here on scale, why is that not working? Oh yeah, it's double click on there, comes up here. So at the moment it's 0.33, so I guess that's about a third. So if we try 0.5, yeah, that's a bit bigger, so that looks better. Okay, right, we can also move these around. So if we right click on that, we can, it says lock, we can unlock it, and we can just move that down a bit. Okay, and this one, if we can move up a little bit, and maybe we'll move that one up. Those two move together, just so it's not so close to the edge. Right, then we go, if we go to annotate, we can very easily put in our dimensions. So we're going to go dimension. Right, if we click on a curve, so left click on it and then middle click, it gives us the radius of that curve. If we click between 2 points, so if I want to show the length of that, we can just click on there and on there, and then middle click, and what we want to do is we want a horizontal dimension. Okay, and it gives us that dimension there. If we do click on there and on there, it gives us that dimension. Okay, we can do between there and there to see how far that comes down. Middle click, I think we probably want tangent, yeah, and it gives us that dimension. Right, we can click from there to there to give us that overall dimension of our lamp that way, and we can click from here to here. Right, to be really accurate, we just got to make sure, because that is obviously the round, so we need to make sure we zoom in and do the right one there, and then we'll middle click over here, and that's put in that dimension. So you can sort of add more dimensions if you'd like to. We can click on these to just move them away from the drawing a little bit to make it look a bit better. Okay, and then that all looks good. Click on return, and then we can save that, and that again will save into our working directory. Click OK. Right, and then we can print that. So if we go File, Print, right, and we want to just go Quick Print, and this is my computer at home, so you will need to select A3, not the Ricoh one, just the normal A3 one, and click OK, and then that should print for you. Okay, that's it, we're all done.